Hello, my name is Taha and today I'm going to be presenting to you a overview pitch on learning and development interventions for leadership skills and motivation. I'm going to be listing down points that are really important for the learning and development process for the team leaders too. And the key points we are going to be concentrating on today are effective learning and the trainings the team leaders need, and performance-based appraisal systems, training about time management, about the three axes of leadership, planning and goal setting, the difference between a leader and a manager, effective communication skills, and last but not the least, conflict management and negotiation, which is a really key point. Employee motivation is critical for employee performance and productivity today. Currently, the main problem today identified by team leaders is that they are really overwhelmed by the workload. Thus, they need effective training so that they can manage their new roles and responsibilities. Firstly, there must be effective training sessions about individual responsibilities. Team leaders are required to handle customer complaints, manage teams, prepare budget information, um, conduct performance appraisals, and also use information software. Firstly, team leaders need technical training regarding budgets and software, and this can be done by regular training sessions conducted on relevant professionals, and team leaders also need training regarding performance appraisals of team members. This is particularly important not only for the team leaders' performances but also for the performance of the entire team. So firstly, management needs to explain the basic concept of performance appraisal system and the benefits to the employees and to their performance. Finally, team leaders need training about time management. There are a number of time management tools and techniques that can be used to maximize efficiency. Time management skills will enable team leaders to manage the workload and relieve them of a lot of stress and workload. Learning and development interventions for leadership skills. Leadership development involves the acquisition and implementation of a series of skills that allow us as managers to operate in the three axes of leadership: the person, the team, and the business. These are the three axes of leadership. For this, it is necessary for us to achieve a change of attitude towards the task and the style of management, which will not only be achieved by adding knowledge but also acquiring different experiences and tools that help us overcome the challenges that day to day impose on us and exercise the functions of leadership. This program will have an integral view of the leaders sustained in the three main axes. The aim is to provide opportunities for the team leaders to have a personal and professional development, to play a role in the improvement and performance of the team, and to contribute towards organizational performance. There are some key competences that team leaders need to develop for effective leadership in the current scenario. The first skill required is planning and goal setting. This skill will help team leaders to establish clear goals, um, have present key tools and techniques for planning effective establishment of goals. Effective planning will also improve both personal and team based. They also need to realize the differences between how a leader and a manager is supposed to be. For this, there needs to be an illustration different of leadership styles, roles, and responsibilities that outline how managers can become really successful leaders. So, train the managers to become leaders. Furthermore, for more effective leadership, team leaders need to develop effective communication skills, which is the key. In the current scenario, team leaders need to gain the skills regarding conflict management and negotiations. Conflict management, which is a key point as we discussed. Conflicts among team leaders and team members may arise out of a variety of reasons, as culture, a difference in religion, difference in countries where they come from. Effective negotiation skills in conflict management can help team leaders dissolve conflict of interest between them. Team leaders also need to develop skills regarding stress management. Stress management interventions can help I clarify the ideas of stress within the environment. The change in management is one of the critical responsibilities for the leaders. Example, in the current scenario, team leaders need to develop effective skills to facilitate change, and change management skills will help team leaders to motivate team members for their performances and identifies effective strategies to minimize resistance between them. The aim is to maximize the flexibility of team leaders to help them adapt to changes. It will help Red Telecom to increase organizational flexibility towards changes in external environment and particularly the changes in all their customers' behavior. Thank you.